Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And this video is going to be a basic installation and configuration of Aster and what needs to be done. So let's get started. First of all, head over to our website ibiksoft.com and download the Aster application and install it. Once you have installed it, make sure you have connected two monitors at least. Currently, I have only one monitor connected. Let me connect the second one. When you connect the monitor, your primary display will go black screen for a few seconds and then open again. Now, as you can see here, I have two monitors and they are set in extended mode. Yours may not be set to extended when you connect the monitor for the first time. So what you can do is click this drop down and change from duplicate this display to extend this display. You can also do this by pressing Windows and P key in the keyboard and choosing the extend option. We have two monitors and they are extended. Let's open Astra Control. Now, in newer version of Astra, monitors will be automatically extended when you install the Astra for the first time. Also, it will ask you to extend the monitors when you try to enable Astra. Also, when you open Astra, you will see that you have two monitors here. If you had the monitors in duplicate mode, then you'd only see one monitor instead of two monitors. There are a few things you have to keep in mind. Only the monitors that are showing up as blue, as you can see here, 1.1 and 1.2, these can be assigned to a workplace. And the workplace will start once you enable Astra. But for example, if you have monitors like these, gray, then these means not connected. These are not physical monitors or these are not connected or turned on. So make sure that the monitors are always blue before you enable Astra or start a workplace. So let me hide these for now. We have assigned the monitor here. If the monitor was not assigned and was in the system section, here, spare and shared components, then just drag it and drop it. Moving along, now I need to connect a keyboard and mouse. A quick way to connect keyboard and mouse and assign them to a workplace is to connect them to a USB hub and then connect the USB hub to the computer. I'm connecting the USB hub now and you will see some icons appear in the Astra Control. As you can see, the keyboard and mouse appear here and here. You can individually drag and drop them to a workplace, or you can drag and assign the USB hub directly to the workplace. To do that, right click on the keyboard and choose how it's connected. Now it's going to highlight the USB hub to which it's connected. Click it and drag and then drop it. Now, as you can see, the USB hub icon is here and keyboard mouse also here. If you drag it again to another workplace, then they will all go along with the USB hub icon. So let me bring it back to the second workplace. Now, make sure after making changes, click apply always and click yes. Our configuration is done. The next step would be to create a user account for the second workplace to use, as you should not use the same user account on two or more workplaces. Now you can easily create the user accounts from other users here. You can create from here and make sure it's a local account. I've already created some accounts and these are local accounts. Do not use Microsoft accounts for the workplaces. You can use it for the main workplace, but other than the main workplace, the first one, you have to use the local account. Click on this hamburger icon and then choose edit user login. Now you'll see here local account and domain account, local account, and from the drop down, I can choose the account I want to use. Since this is the second workplace, I'm going to use the user2. And if you have a password set for the user account, then enter the password twice. You have to enter the password twice. If not, then leave it empty and click OK. Now, after assigning the user account to the workplace, click on apply. Now, final step is to enable Astra and reboot. So I'm going to enable Astra. And earlier I said that when you enable Astra, you will be asked to extend the monitors if you have forgotten to extend it before. Let me click yes first. Now you can see here prompt telling us to extend the monitors. And if you have already extended the monitors, then you can click ignore. If you have not extended the monitors, then click OK. I'm going to click ignore here, and it's going to restart the computer. So let me pause the video and come back once the computer has rebooted. So the computer has restarted. Now let me show you. So this is the first workplace and this is the second workplace. These are the keyboard and mouse that I connected to the computer using the USB hub. So let me open Aster control and start the second workplace, as I have set it to start manually. As you can see here, I've set it to manually. So if I click on run Aster workplaces, then this workplace will start running. Okay, as you can see, it's logged in already and have started. So this way you can create multiple workplaces from one computer using 2 or more monitors. So if you have any questions, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day.